Hello guys, I'm Jagath and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video let us unbox a gaming monitor from LG. So let's get started. Before unboxing, let's just quickly have a look around the box. On the front side we have got the model number and screen size mentioned, and below we have got the specification. Now moving on to the rear side. On the rear side, again we have got model number and screen size mentioned, and below it we have got the specification. Okay, now let's unbox. Inside the box we get accessories like base plate, monitor mount, power adapter, HDMI cable, manual, and some screws. Okay, let's keep this aside and check the monitor. Now let's take the monitor out and see. On the bottom center we have got LG mentioned. Now let's move on to the rear side. On the rear side, on the top we have got LG mentioned. On the bottom we have got ports for power supply, HDMI port, 3.5mm headphone jack and VGA port. And below we have place for mounting the monitor. Then on bottom of the monitor we have single rotatable button for controlling the monitor. Okay, now let's mount the monitor. We get these screws in the box itself. Now let's fix them. Okay, now let's tighten them. Now it is fixed. Now let's place the bottom base plate. Now let's fix this also. Now let's tighten the screws. So that's it. Now the monitor is ready for use. Now let's check the video quality of this monitor. I bought this monitor for the custom PC build which I did recently. If you have not yet watched that video, please make sure to go and check that. Okay guys, so that's it from this video. Hope you all found this video useful. If you all have not yet subscribed my channel, please make sure to subscribe it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.